Hey guys, I'm Lauren Lee, and I'm here at Butterfly Loft Salon, where all the Danger Jones hair products are formulated, created, and tested by hairstylists just like me. Today, I'm here to get you up to speed on the Danger Jones semi-permanent hair color line so that you guys can get out there and start creating. Our semis work straight out of the tube, no developer needed. You can use them alone or you can mix them together to create your own custom colors. For best results, apply to clean, dry hair. Our colors are most vibrant when the hair is pre-lightened. To see what the colors will look like on different levels of hair, simply turn around the box to see the color chart. When applying, I like to section the hair to make it more manageable. Then you can start applying color to 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices, making sure to completely saturate from roots to ends. You'll notice the silky smooth viscosity of Danger Jones will allow you to saturate and blend easily. Pro tip, even though the color is really smooth, if you take slices that are too big, you might miss some spots, so it's a good idea to cross-check your application and make sure that you saturate completely. To do so, gently pull apart the colored sections in the hair. If you see any areas that aren't fully saturated, simply add more color to them. After you finish applying, process at room temperature for 30 minutes, no heat necessary. After 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly with cool water and high water pressure, no need to shampoo. Our semis are naturally conditioning, but you can put conditioner on the ends if you'd like. One of the biggest benefits that jumped out to me during testing was just how little product I was using to get the coverage that I needed. Less product for maximum coverage, which makes your color go further. When properly cared for, our deeper colors can last up to 45 washes, and our lighter colors can last up to 25 washes. To extend the life of your color, have your clients wash no more than twice a week with cold water and color-safe shampoo and conditioner. Show them to shampoo the roots only and let the shampoo rinse over the rest of the hair. Like this, but not like this. You can also suggest they use a dry shampoo in between washes. Well, that's it for me. I hope you guys love Danger Jones as much as I do. Be sure to tag Danger Jones in your posts so we can see all your creations. I'm Lauren Lee, and this is Danger Jones.